So our next topic is adding clipart to a slide. So let us read out this whole paragraph first. Clipart is a graphic or picture that we can add to our presentation. Add another slide by clicking the new slide icon and selecting the content with caption layout. Under the insert tab, click on clipart icon. The clipart pane will appear on the right side of the program. In the search box, enter computer and then click on go. Click on any image to bring it to the slide. You can enlarge the size of the image by dragging its end. So now let us understand all these points with the help of this particular diagram. So what this diagram says all about. So first we have to click on the insert menu bar option that is present on the above on the tab option. After clicking on insert, there will be option of clipart. You have to click on clipart option. After clicking on clipart option, you have to after clicking on clipart option, you will get this kind of option on the right side of the PowerPoint window. After getting this option, we have to type the word computer in this search box. This is the search box. We have to type the computer in this search box option. After typing the word computer in the search bar option, then we have to click on go. Now you can see these different kinds of clipart images will appear in front of you. So now you can select any image. From these particular options. So I have selected this image. It is not compulsory that you have to select this image only. You can select any images from this option. You can select any images from this particular option. After selecting the image, you can see I have selected this image and I have clicked on this image. So this image will appear on the slide. So after then this image appears on the slide, you can increase or decrease the size of this particular image. So let's move to the next topic, that is transition effect. So let us understand what is transition effect. So let us read out this paragraph first. Transition effect means the style in which one slide ends and the other starts. There are many different effects from which you can choose the effect suits you best. First one, go to the transition tab and click on it. From the list of transition effect, choose any one. Click on apply to all. So now let's understand this topic. So you can see here. So this is the diagram, or you can say this is the picture of the PowerPoint window. In this, you have to click on the animation tab option or the transition tab option. So after clicking on this, you will get this transition effect. As you can see, it is written here, transition to this slide. So I have selected this slide. That means this kind of this transition will be applied on all the slides. After selecting the transition, there are different transition present on this menu bar. You can select any option from this. After selecting, you have to click on this option, apply to all. After clicking on this, there are two slides present here, first and second. So in case if you are having 25 slides, so all the 25 slides, the same transition effects will be applied. So in this way, you can apply transition effect to the slide. So let's move to the next topic, that is slideshow. So now let us understand what the slideshow means. So far we have made two slides. Now it is time to watch them like a movie. So first point, click on slideshow tab. Second, in the ribbon section, click on the first icon, that is from beginning option. Third, the slide will start running. Click on the left or right arrow to go to the next or previous slide. And the third point is, when the slideshow comes to the last slide, it will automatically exit. What this all 4 points is trying to say that when after completing all the slides, only we have to see the slides. So what we have to do for seeing the slides one after the another, it's just like watching a movie. Why movie? Because the slide moves in a continuous manner. It will not take any break in between. So to apply this kind of effect, that is slideshow effect, you have to click on the slideshow option. As you can see here, I have clicked on the slideshow option. In this slideshow option, the first option will be from beginning. That means all the slides will start from the beginning.